Back to another Northern Boys video. This video I'm kayak fishing on Circle Lake. I catch a perch and a popper. Catch some bass, some pike. So yeah, stay tuned. Hope you enjoy.
Oh my god, something big, dude.
Right now?
Holy shit.
Does it have you in the weeds?
What?
Are you in the weeds?
Huh?
Does he have you in the weeds? Oh, that's a nice bass.
Right there. Holy crap, man. He's fighting real hard. How big?
That is 3.5. Is he staying down here? I'll give you my net. Here.
Yeah, I need you to
Cut. Here, try and bring him over where I am.
Just swim with me, asshole. Yeah, he's going in front of me now.
Yeah, he has you on some big weeds.
No, we're good. We're good here. Look at it.
I know.
Here. He's tired. Come on, asshole.
He's underneath you.
Look at yeah. He's not bad. Good. Let's go. Got him?
Yep.
Here, my bail's open. Holy cow, that's a freaking tank.
Pull me towards you. Oh, that's not a bad bass at all.
Dude, what are you doing? You're gonna get poked in the eye.
Where's the hook? What's that, 3.5-er?
Dude, the hook is in there, good. There we go. Yo, get me a pic.
Here,
Hurry up.
grab my phone.
That's my drag, dude. You ain't gonna live longer.
Put him in the water with your thumb in his mouth.
I'm gonna let go. Dude, hurry up.
Oops. Cut. Oh, yeah, he's holding.
Easy. Okay. Sorry, Colin.
Oh, good.
Rod's in your face. Thanks, pal.
Yeah, yeah.
Where do you think he was?
For edge of weeds.
No, where do we think, like, how much do you think he was?
So I'm thinking 3.5.
Get a good picture or what?
Yeah, I got 2.
Okay, good. Video too?
On my GoPro.
Yeah, good. bad though, eh?
No.
Dude, at first, I was like, what the hell is that? It felt like I got like a big pike.
Oh yeah. Got one. Oh, is that even, that's a perch on the popper.
That's crazy.
Not expecting to catch him on a popper. There, oh. There's one. Oh yeah. Just a little pike. There he goes. There's one. Oh, it's a pike. Hopefully you guys saw him. Yeah, just a little pike like the last one. Oh, another one. Oh. Oh, that's a bigger pike. Oh, that's not bad. That's not a bad pike at all for this lake. But do you want unhooked or not? You're getting me so. That's not a half bad pike at all for the lake. Skinny guy, but there he goes. Hope he has a miserable rest of his day. Oh, there's fish. Just a baby largemouth. Max, look.